Hello students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus, and today you are watching class 10 English language class, and these slides are prepared by Sir Farhan, language teacher of Dhaka Secondary School. So students, our today's learning topic is second week of March, and our learning agenda is adjective and its types and kinds. Okay, so adjective is one of the important part of English language, and we are going to study about this topic in a wide way. So here comes our topic, adjective and its definition. Basically, adjective is such a word which gives the quality of a noun or pronoun. It modifies it, it qualifies it, okay, and it comes before a noun. Okay, for example, the colorful balloon floated over the treetop. So here colorful is what? Showing the quality of balloon, that is colorful. The big dog chased the car. So big shows the size of dog. So size shows what? Quality of adjective, quality of noun. The beautiful princess is wearing a purple gown. So beautiful also shows the quality of princess. So here comes types of adjective. So we have some different types of adjective. Descriptive adjective, which describes it. Proper adjective, which shows the proper noun. It is just like a proper noun, but it is proper adjective. Adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. These are the kinds of adjectives. So now we are moving towards its types one by one. I brief you. So here comes our first type, descriptive adjectives. Basically, descriptive adjectives is what? It shows the quality, size, origin, color, shape, taste, acts, feels, or such things. Okay, and one of the important questions from we cover from adjective topic is order of adjectives. So this adjective type makes a question order of adjectives, okay, in which we have size, quality, origin, color, shape, taste. So here comes examples. He is a little man. So little shows what? Size, and green shows was color, and he banged his head against the glass door. Glass shows what? Material. So students, it is not necessary or always there comes a one adjective. It can be two or many adjectives can come, but we have to place them according to the rules. Okay, and in the further classes I will let you know about this. Now here comes second one, proper adjectives. What are proper adjectives? Basically, proper adjective works like a proper noun, but it always shows an origin. Okay, for example, Swiss chocolates are famous all over the world. So Switzerland is a country, and the person and the things which belongs to Switzerland, that is what? Swiss chocolate. So chocolates is what? Noun, and Swiss shows what? The quality of the origin of that country. So that is what? Proper adjectives. Here comes American jeans are probably the best jeans in the world. So jeans is what? Noun. So before noun we see American, and American is what? Proper adjectives, which shows the origin of that jeans. Okay students, here comes hydrogen gas is the lightest gas and element. So hydrogen is what? Proper adjectives. Okay students, so now I move towards our next topic, adjective of quantity. So adjective of quantity is what? It shows quantity, okay, of noun and pronoun. For example, just a little juice is left in the jug. Did you have enough food? Saida does not need much money. So little, enough, much, it shows what? Quantity. Okay, such quantity, indefinite quantity. Okay, indefinite quantity. Okay, so such things which we do not count, so there we use little word. And much is also used for uncountable nouns, but for quantity. Here comes another type, numeral adjectives. So numeral adjective shows what? Numbers. Okay, it can be cardinal number, it can be ordinal number, and it can be multiplicative numbers. For example, cardinal numbers are those numbers in which we shows the ascending order of any number, like 1 2 3 4. So in first example you see Peter secured first position in his class. So first is what? Basically an ordinal number when we shows order of something. Okay, when we show sequence, so in sequence of number we use cardinal number, that is first 1 2 3. In first example, first shows what? Ordinal number in which we shows order. In second example, 6 shows what? Sequence and sequence of number. And in the third one, 2 cups of coffee, so 2 is also a numeral number adjective and it shows what? Sequence. Here comes interrogative adjectives. So interrogative adjective shows what? Interrogation. Such adjective which is used to show interrogation before a noun. So that is called interrogative adjectives. For example, which road shall we take? So the most important thing that after interrogative adjective we always use noun, and if we do not have any noun after interrogative adjective, so it means it is not interrogative adjective but pronoun. Okay, pronoun does not have any noun after that, but after adjective there comes always a noun. In second example, what time would the match begin? So what shows what? Interrogative adjective. And whose car is this? Okay students, in all three examples you see after interrogative words you see some noun. Okay, here comes demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjective shows what? Demonstration. Means it shows it shows indication of something, it points out something. Okay, and for example, this, that, these, those, these are all demonstrative adjectives. Okay, and it can be used for singular and can be for plural, and which is also used as a demonstrative adjective, and which can also use for pointing out something. Okay, for human being. Okay, which is used for animal and plant, but for pointing out of a selection there we use which word. For example, this pen is very expensive. So this shows what? Closer thing. Okay, second is what? Look at that billboard. So that shows what? Distance. And these mangoes are ripe. So it means when two or more than two things are there and it is kept nearby, there we use these mangoes. Okay, so these is what? Demonstrative adjective. Here comes these apartments have been built recently. So these is also a demonstrative adjective. So here comes possessive adjective. It shows what? Possession. When something belongs to someone, so that is what? There we use possessive adjectives. And don't interchange or intermix possessive adjective with possessive pronoun. Okay, they are different things. After possessive adjective there always comes a noun. Okay, it shows belonging or possession. This bicycle was gifted by my grandfather. So my is what? Possessive adjective. And if I don't want to put noun, so this bike was gifted, this bike was mine. So mine is what? Pronoun. But my grandfather is, so grandfather is what? Noun. and before noun we use any attributive, and that attributive is called adjective, and before any noun which shows possession, that becomes our possessive adjectives. So my is what? Possessive adjectives. So the dog is licking its paws, so it shows what? Possessive. He is going along with his brother, so his is attributive of brother, and his shows was the belonging, possession of his brother. Okay students, I hope you got this. Thank you so much.